You can go ahead.
That's okay. Is your family here?
My side of the family is here. My wife's family is in California, but her mom's on her way on Saturday.
Oh, okay.
In fact, my oldest sister came already.
Really?
She's in the lobby.
So excited, I bet. Well, we want Mom to get a hold of the baby first.
Right, so I told them to wait.